One-way ANOVA. How can one F ratio compare three group means at once? One-way analysis of variance tests whether three group population means are all equal in the current calculator by comparing variation between group means with variation among observations inside groups. A significant omnibus F result means at least one mean differs. It does not identify every differing pair. The tool can follow a rejected omnibus test with Tukey-Kramer or Bonferroni pairwise comparisons. But those comparisons remain conditional on the design and model assumptions. ANOVA partitions total squared deviation from the grand mean into between group and within group components. Divide each sum by its degrees of freedom to get mean squares. F is between group mean square divided by within group mean square. Under equal means, independent normal errors, and a common variance, F follows an F. Distribution with k minus 1 numerator and n minus k denominator degrees of freedom. Here k equals 3, while group sizes may differ. The p-value is the right tail probability of an F statistic at least as large under the null. It is not the probability all means are equal. Eta squared in the output describes the observed proportion of total variation attributed to group membership, but is sample dependent. Use one-way ANOVA for one categorical grouping factor, 3 independent groups in this interface, and one numerical outcome. Each observation should belong to exactly one group, with independence supported by sampling or assignment. A rejected omnibus null supports the statement that not all population means are equal. Examine planned or multiplicity-adjusted comparisons to locate evidence. Do not announce that every pair differs. A non-significant F result does not establish equivalence, and generally makes data-driven post-hoc significance hunting inappropriate. Report group summaries and practical differences regardless of the dichotomous decision. Tukey-Kramer uses the studentized range distribution for all pairwise comparisons, while Bonferroni adjusts for the number of tests. Their adjusted p-values and critical values should not be confused with unadjusted pairwise t results. Independent plots receive fertilizer A 21, 23, 20, 22, 24, B 25, 27, 24, 26, 28, and C 20, 19, 22, 21, 18. The pre-specified analysis is a one-way ANOVA at alpha equals 0.05, followed by Tukey-Kramer comparisons if the omnibus null is rejected. Enter the three groups in their assigned order and choose Tukey HSD. Their sample means are 22, 26, and 20 units, with comparable within-group variation in this illustrative dataset. The calculator forms the grand mean, between and within sums. Of squares, their degrees of freedom, and the F ratio. A large ratio means group centers vary more than expected from the estimated within-group noise. If the F p-value crosses alpha, read the adjusted pairwise results to see which contrasts are supported. Preserve the distinction between the omnibus conclusion and individual comparisons. A significant result would indicate evidence that at least one fertilizer population mean differs under the randomized plot model. Pairwise output can localize evidence, but does not remove concerns about soil blocks, unequal variance, multiple outcomes, or whether the size of a yield difference justifies operational change. Try it free at distryscope.com.